Greetings everyone, today I will be doing a squishy pet peeve video. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, let's get on to the video. I'm not going to make this intro very long. Hey guys, so I have this really cute cat squishy. It is pink and it's a bit defected, yeah, it is really cute though, and as you can see, it's looking to the side. Now let's squish it. Oh, and did you guys subscribe? Make sure you go subscribe, because that would be really good if you did, and that would really... So guys, this is my very first squishy. It's of a soccer ball, so I hope you like it. Oh, it's hard. That's so funny. That will be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. This wasn't to call out any people. Sometimes I do this. But yeah, it was just a skit, or not really a skit, but it was just something that I wanted to make for fun. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Bye.